Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this mobile investing platform, which is Yieldstreet. So to get started, in 2025 Yieldstreet continues to attract investors with the promise of access to high yield alternative assets ranging from real estate and art to litigation, finance and private credit. The mobile app is clean, intuitive, and offer investment tracking, performance summaries, and educational resources. You also invest through a self-directed IRAs and receive update directly through the app, which is available on both iOS and Android. But behind the published interface, serious concern remain the most often required accredited investor status and the large minimums, often by $10,000, with a high fee of 1% to 4%, and a long lockup period stretching up to 5 years. Many investor reports underperforming deals, delayed payout, frozen withdrawal, and poor transparency. Trustpilot and Reddit review are filled with complaints about disappointing returns and weak customer service, especially when project goes south. And here's a very conclusion. Yieldstreet offer a legit access to alternative investment for experienced investor, but it's risky, expensive, and not very liquid. So if you are not fully comfortable with a high risk and long-term deals, or you need a reliable access to your fund, you are better off sticking the moment or the more transparent platform or a diversified ETFs. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this investment platform. And that's it.